back at Universal to look at more HHN construction because we are, how far away?
I want to say 16 days at this
16
point.
days away.
Start of Halloween Horror Nights.
So here we go.
Arch up back here.
Clown from Terrifier.
Cat thing that looks like
Wolf, cat, buggy, vulture, crow. Look at the puppy thing. The puppy. Over here is Philip. I really want to feed Philip. The intrusive thoughts are intrusive thoughting that I want to feed Philip. Also, call back to my first HHN. We have Pickles Bucket.
Pickles.
Right below Philip. Big news. The mermaid tail is back. It's back. Right, Hannah?
It's back.
Guys, we have Club Juke for sinners. It looks so cool. We also have Fort Nightmares over here. It got a big truss entryway situation. There's more of sinners. We're still waiting on those menus to drop though. Waiting for that. We have a stage. There's gonna be somebody here right at the entryway. And then there's a lot of wooden trusses or stage stanchions. I know very little about Fortnite, full transparency. I know enough to get by, and that's about it. I've never actually played the game. We have more over here as we continue down the road.
Because usually it doesn't look like that at this point.
Okay, we already have the first glimpse of the food booth that is usually along the back wall by animal actors. And this year it's something about Dia de los Muertos. And we're not quite sure what that connects to quite yet. So, and over there,
That's supposed to be.
we have Hellraiser apparently. Hellraiser's the food truck.
That's an interesting spot to have Hellraiser, considering the house is going to be one of the larger tents.
It's really,
Last year that was the dolls booth.
yeah.
But that was one of the smaller sprung tents, so it was much closer to its respective house.
I'm surprised we have an IP at the food truck location. On the back we have the Lament configuration, or as I call it, Pinhead's puzzle box. And then here we have Pinhead, or as I call him, Pinhead Larry. Heck yeah. This is pretty big too. There's the Pardon Our Dust sign, and where you'll place your order. But on the edge of Simpsons. Interesting choice. We're at the exit of Simpsons. And if you zoom in, you can see Sinners. Hellraiser's right next door, but you can't quite see the front. But you can see the top of, is it Smoke's hat? Smoke's hat. Or maybe that's Stack. Honestly, I can't keep them straight to save my life. Fantaboo. Always fun to see. I love the theming on it. It's themed to circus. Super cool. Can't wait to see what drinks they have here. Across from Men in Black, we have treats from the Upside Down. We have Squawk. Look at all of the Upside Down Demogorgon stuff all over the front of the booth. It looks awesome. Looks so good. Then across the way, we have Meats. One that is returning from a previous year. I'm curious to see what the food will be because last time they were here, the food looked incredible. And so I'm really hopeful. Oh, 2023?
2022 maybe.
Hannah's my information for this one being returning. So if she says 2023, 2022, it's somewhere in there. It's one of those two. It was the year of the Pumpkin Lord. So it's exciting. Looking at how insanely funny these signs are.
It is a cannibal meat business that exists in the HHN Cary, Ohio lore.
So funny. Club Horror has pumpkins this year. Super cute. I feel like they were taken from the cat lady, but that's unrelated. Look at all the pumpkins. And they are gonna have a bar back there again. Food booths, food booths. Clown Town. I'm gonna live in Clown Town. I think I'm gonna live in Clown Town.
Moving into Clown Town, guys.
I'm a new resident.
Yeah.
Welcome to Clown Town.
House showings here yet?
Oh, I want to move in. Look at the balloons. Killer clowns. Killer clowns.
These are the killer clowns.
Killer clowns. Look at the ice cream. There's another one over there too. Look at that ice cream. Oh my god, there's so many. There's so many.
So cool.
So this street is definitely just going to be run by the killer clowns. We're moving into Clown Town. Hannah, I have bad news. We're moving into Clown Town. Look at that. Look at the killer clown's barrel. There's Shorty, and we really got to brush up on the rest of our killer clowns' names. And then we're gonna walk around the corner because there's something new on the stage that is insanely cool. We have our barrels, the roofs are on, and the mayor of Clown Town is here. The mayor, Mr. Jack the Clown himself. And there is what I can only presume is the mayor's throne. This looks so incredible. Oh my gosh. You will catch me here on opening night. Not gonna lie. This is so cool. Oh, the tribute store. Here's a secret. This is the tribute store. Not much of a secret. There is a speaker in the ticket booth. Which is gonna be interesting.
Notice that last time there is clearly space inside of the ticket booth for a person to stand.
True. And on the side as well. So you never know.
Scare actors outside of the tribute store for the first time.
And that could possibly only be during the event times. But at the same time, it's roughly every night but Mondays and Tuesdays, so you never know. You could catch them if you're here during the day. Walk down the street. I love this booth. It might be the stuffed animals, but look at this. Oh, it's so cute. It's so fun. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, the coloring, the balloons. There's balloons everywhere. That's Jack colors. They are everywhere. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, look at this one. L'amour et l'amour. Spectacled marionettes. Ooh, oh, there's marionettes in there. Hello. Oh, those look so cool. You zoom out, you get to see the 35. It looks like a Ferris wheel. This little chest, and then the sign is on the... Oh, it's a different sign on the side. Chaos and Control. A tale of two icons. Oh, how iconic. Okay, last time we saw the caravan, the decal was gone, but now it's back. Dr. Oddfellow's Grand Carnival. And there's even more down the street that we're going to head towards. Oh my gosh, there's ducks. I see ducks. I see ducks! Gosh, I don't think... I've never experienced a scare zone go down this far. I don't know, look at that. But this is super cool. The ducks are so cute. Can I zoom out and get there we go. Crosshair's Coop Game of Skill. Then over here, this cute ticket booth. Admission tickets. Chilling rides, gory games, and more. And then we're out on the other side.
Yeah.
On the other side, we have past HHN posters. We got 2000, 30 Years of Fear, Dueling Dragons, and then Dr. Oddfellow. And they're actually on both sides. This one's just easier to see because it doesn't have the register in front of it. This is super cool though. Look at that. Okay, based on the carousel piece, we we can tell that Santa art will be coming. And there's something about that that just makes you think of Elf, where
Oh my god, it's Santa!
it's Santa! Tomorrow morning, Santa's coming to town! We also have so many things clothed up on his set. Probably a lawnmower right there. But I'm very excited to see Santa art. Did not get to see him quite enough last. Santa! What do you mean? Then we have our Jack and Oddfellow food booth down there. And then we're back at the food booth we started at. That rounds out Clown Town. We may have almost forgotten that they set up the icon scare zone.
I don't know how. We have Evil Dead
We just didn't walk down the street, okay? We went left. We have Evil Dead. We have Sinners. It looks so cool. I'm being summoned.
Come over there. Where have we seen all of these flowers recently? Definitely not Michael's.
No.
Totally not from Michael's.
But look at the bat. That will live on forever, honestly. There's Ozzy. There's Hellraiser with the puzzle cube. There's the puzzle cube. Big Hellraiser. And of course, we just have the 35th anniversary logo. And over here, we have Stranger Things. Super cool. Squawk! And this is a look. And there's a little bit of Hanna. Oh, look, down the main street.